All right, guys, that last example number 4, cut off when we were doing -3 minus -4. So this operation piece right here. So -3 minus -4, that really means we're taking -3 and adding 4. So that's going to get us to +1 down here. So our final answer on this subtraction problem should be 8c cubed plus 13c squared plus 10c plus 1. So the next thing that we want to take a look at after adding and subtracting is multiplication. And the multiplication processes that we see today are just going to be a simple extension of the FOILing work that we've done in the past. So what we're doing here is looking at a binomial and a trinomial. So polynomial with 2 terms and then a polynomial with 3 terms. And we're seeing how we multiply them together when trying to combine them. So what you want to do is take a look at your first term in this operation, which is the x. And we want to go ahead and distribute the x to every single term that we see in the trinomial. So when we multiply it with 2x squared, we will end up with 2x cubed. When we multiply it by 2x, we will have minus 2x squared. And then when we go over to the 9, we'll have plus 9x. Then what we want to do is go ahead and take that 4, so the next term in the binomial, this guy right here, and we're also going to distribute to that one to every single term in the trinomial. So when it goes to 2x squared, what that will become is plus 8x squared. When we distribute it to the minus 2x, that will become minus 8x. And then when we distribute it to the 9, we'll end up with plus 36. So then from there, our goal is going to be to combine like terms. So we only have one x cubed term, the 2x cubed, so we can copy that down there. Then we have a minus 2x squared and a plus 8x squared. So that's going to give us a plus 6x squared when we combine those two terms. Then we will also have a plus 9x and a minus 8x, so that's just going to give us a plus x. And then this constant is all by itself over here, so we'll end up with a plus 36. So that's our final answer for this binomial and trinomial multiplication. And so what you just want to make sure as you multiply more and more polynomials together is just that every single multiplication step that you make sure each term in one polynomial ends up multiplied by each term in the other polynomial.